Yo, what's going on, guys and gals? My name is Zachary, and today, wee, we're playing Ragdoll engine. Uh, uh, big noob. So we're playing this game only because I really want to see if there's like any, I don't know, let's just say, oders. We're on the hunt of oders, online daters. Oh wow. Oh wow. Chat. I'm sorry, I'm so used to streaming. I don't know what is happening right now, but that is gonna, yep, blow them up, blow them up. Thank you. Those online daters did not deserve to be like that. So yeah, I was told there's a lot of oders that play this game. Lord only knows why. Oh yeah, we all know, because you can do this. Yeah, it's pretty weird. Yeah, I don't know why that's a thing, but okay. Not gonna lie, the first person's kind of trippy though. Look at this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Dude, look at those worms. Oh yeah, that's a worm. Karen. Yes. What's over here? Whoa, he's fast. Alright, we're just gonna go up here and... Whoa, that guy fell. We're just gonna go up here and kill ourselves, basically. Dang, it takes forever to get up these stairs. What about... I mean, this is crazy. Oh, by the way, have y'all noticed I have a cat on my head now? Miss Mika. For real though, we need to hurry up and get up here. Alright, we're gonna go on first person for this. Because you already know. Alright, ready? Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. I'm going so fast. You know what sucks is going back up is gonna suck. Yup, just. Not gonna lie, that was pretty funny. But for real though, let's find some more odors if there's any. I mean, there's just a lot in this game. What the heck? Thick legs. Floats too. Whatever. Go to wiggle your... Whoa! How am I falling even though it's an escalator? Not gonna question. Someone just told me on Roblox that you can buy a push game pass on this game for 15 Robux. You know, I'm gonna buy that. Not right now, but I will in the future. In fact, comment down below if you would want me to play this some more when I get that game pass, because I do want to push people off. Your neck just breaks. Wait a second. Look at her pose. Yo. She's just sitting there. Yeah, we're just gonna I'm just gonna turn on a music montage while I kill myself, you know.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was
I'm going awfully fast. I hope you enjoyed that montage. Yeah, you know. Yo, hold up. Look at this man's. Look at my man's. Look at him. Yo, what? Dude, I love his outfit. He's so beautiful. Oh my god. I love it. Beautiful. Oh no. Bleep. That's what it said, you know. Why not? He was just staring in heaven. Epic walk. That hat made me itchy. Hey, odor. Dude, I love all these people. These people are so weird. There he goes again, staring in heaven. Yeah, yeah. Everybody loves a guy who does that. All right. Oh, I actually want to tell him. Hold on. Hey, hey. I'm recording, you stupid noob. Little freak. I'm joking. Chill. I'm recording a YouTube video. Okay. Yep, just says okay. Oh, whoa. Indeed. Whoa, look at that guy over there. He's huge. This person seriously thought, whoa. Oh, there's my brother. My head hurts. Oh, his neck broke. Oh.
You're talking to him? You should have by yourself.
Odor. Oh, he just falls. Yeah, guys. Everyone respect Zaid. Everybody should respect Zaid. In fact, give this man some love. If you have Roblox, add this man's up. He just falls. Alright. I am not only a copy and paste, brother broski. Okay. Yeah. Just says okay. Thank you. See, I want more people like this instead of oders, to be honest. Dude, these worms. Dude, that's a hot babe. Earthworm Sally. Something from Cali. I don't know the words. I'm not Sally. You sure look like it. Yeah, she's not Sally, that's Karen. No, Sally, it's Karen. I'm skinless rat. What the frick? I'm a skinless rat? That sounds actually hot. Okay. Aijah, what? That's a Kedora thing, whatever. I don't know what it's called. It's from Godzilla. What is Zayd doing? Wait, I am. Whoa. Let's continue bullying people, you know? Or be nice-ish. I don't know, I want to bully somebody. I mean, Flamengo bullies people on this game.
This out. God, his whole body just violently folds over. How'd you get so big? Here, Matt Luke. Boop.
I mean, I think everybody bullies each other in this game, so, you know. Can I fly? No? Okay. We gonna go. Okay. Oh. Hey, that's not fair, man. So rude. Oh, I just blow up. Ah! The face of failure. Oh, someone sent me a friend request. Oh, I got blown up twice. I want to ask these people what they're doing.
Is that great?
Everyone's just falling, you know? Why not?
I said thank you in Japanese.
I don't really care, to be honest. Oh my god, how? XD. Says the one. Ew. Hiding in pain sight. I said pain, didn't I? I suffer pain every day. Anyways, let's go on first person and get myself killed. Why not? Whoa. Ow. Wait, I'm not in the cage anymore. We gotta go in. Uh-oh, Buster. Uh-oh, Buster. How? This is how I pay my respects for you guys. No, but for real though, why am I zoomed in so much? There we go. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Hey! Okay. I lost my account, Bella. See, who thinks I should make a part 2 of this? Alright, but for real though, who wants a part 2, comment down below. And I'm sorry for the week off. Sorry, nah. But it's gonna be another week off. So yeah, because I'm going on vacation. But with that being said, Miss Mika and me say thank you for watching today's video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care, talk soon, and goodbye.